getting this message after I went through the rain, heavy rain, that my sensor is blocked for the adaptive cruise control. I have to pull over and clean the area for the cruise control radar and see if it works again. Okay, I've stopped. This is supposed to be the area right here for the cruise control. I don't see any dirt or anything here. Let's see if it's going to work again. Getting out and cleaning that area, radar area, in front of the car was not the problem. The problem that the adaptive cruise control stopped working is because I went through very heavy rain and the radar couldn't pick up anything through the rain, so the radar shut off. But it doesn't come back on when the rain stops. You have to stop the car and restart it to get the adaptive cruise control running again. So that tells me next time I go through heavy rain to shut off the adaptive cruise control and start it back up when I pass through the rain. Otherwise, I'm going to have to stop the car and shut the engine off and restart it.